Hello everyone. So today we're going to have a demo on Snort IDS and Nmap scans using the Snort IDS. We are going to check out on the Metasploit and detecting logging the OS attack as well. And we are going to write a few custom Snort rules as well. Now the first task is to check for the IP address present. So we'll check for that. So this is checked on the ETH0. You see that it is present. So the next task is we have to install the LAMP server and Snort IDS, and we have to configure it accordingly. So this is currently everything present in a shell file. I'll be showing that as follows. So basically we'll be installing the LAMP server, OpenSSH server, PHP Snort IDS, and configuring Snort, and finally we'll be running the Snort in promiscuous mode. Okay, so let us run this. So it's already installed, and it's installed. Snort is already installed. PHP is installed. Now we go into the configuring mode. So in this case, we now try to set up the Snort. First in root mode, and then ETH0. We set this up for our local IP range. Then should we disable? No. Then we don't have any additional common options, and I'm ignoring this for now, and that's it. And Snort is running now. So now since Snort is running, we have to perform the check in Kali Linux for Nmap scan. So we go to that. We are being logged in here, and now we try to perform so we have the log file here. Now next we try to perform MSF console. Okay, so now after it runs, so we see the screen like this, and now we are ready to perform Metasploit attack. So we first perform synflood. So for this we have to use the auxiliary DOS TCP synflood. It's using synflood now. We now set show options. So it shows us the number of options here: interface, num, our host, port, source host, port, etc. This now we set our host. That's the IP. Our host is set. Next we just hit exploit. Synflood has started, and it's getting logged here, as you can see. Closing that. Now the synflood attack has happened. Now we close it, and now everything has been saved in a log file. So now we go and check the log file. So this we try to open it using the Snort. Okay, so now before we hit exploit in Kali VM, so in our Ubuntu VM we have to add this command so that all the logging is stored in this log location, and now it is listening and will log whatever traffic it comes into this folder. So now we go to Kali and we just hit exploit. So the flood has started, so we close it now for like 3 seconds, and here also we close it, and yes, it has been processed a lot of packets there, around 12,900 packets in around 3-4 seconds. So if we go up, you see that it was taken around for 18 seconds the packet capture. That's the total time. So we have Ethernet packets, then IP packets, then everything is on TCP packets, and there are a few bad checksum packets as well. Next, to read the log file, we have this command which is through Snort itself, snort-r, and this will basically read this file. So we just hit it, enter, and we see that it's trying to read the log file. We see the source IP and the destination IP, and basically the communication packets which are happening through that. So the Snort has captured all of that, and it is given the report which we just saw previously. And with that is the end of task 3. Next is task 4, which is writing the Snort rules. So to write the Snort rules, so I have come up with this rule here. So this rule will be placed in etc Snort rules, and it will be configured accordingly in SnortConnect. So if we go into that, we can see that anyone who is accessing facebook.com will be from the PC will be shown this message in the Snort. So we just save this, and we can try looking into the SnortConnect. So this is the SnortConnect, and we have a place where all the rules have been included. I have included mine as well, and we just save this, and we go back, we run this. So I'm just trying service restart because it may not work the first time. And we just restart it, and then now the Snort is running. So next we go on to the Firefox browser, and we access Facebook. Just on accessing, we can see that so many PC access. So I kept 2 messages and both of them have been hit. So this means the rule is working properly, and that is the step 5 of writing Snort rules. So the next task is to perform the step 6, which is to write 2 Snort rules of your choice and showing that we correctly perform the attack from Kali Linux to our Ubuntu. So for this reason, I've written 2 rules here. One is for detecting a synpin scan, and next one is just a simple one, which is SSH login. So it will alert anything from outside to our home net, and then we'll be showing with this message, showing whatever it is. Then it's a stateless flow. Then we have this flags. It detects for the flag synpin. It takes the reference as this one, and the class type as attempted recon, and then it's a well-known ID 624, and then we are adding it to the revision from the previous one. So this will be for the synpin scan, and the next one is SSH. So we just from anywhere to RPC. So we'll just pop up a message saying that SSH login is done, and this is another SID rule with one revision. Okay, so let us check for a synpin scan. We'll start at a Snort. Snort is running in the background here. And then here we perform the nmap scan with the scan flag sent in and destination of this. There we go. So the scan happened. All the logs have been saved here. So we can see that the SSH is open and the HTTP is open. And we'll try to SSH as well. We're going to log that as well. So with that we end our session. Thank you for watching.